of East Texas, which is some great news. We'll talk about the reason why we had rain in the area today, and some of us saw a pretty good amount of rain as well. But as we look at Live Viper radar, there's not a ton going on here in East Texas. A couple of showers from Tyler down through Jacksonville, Palestine, Crockett, what have you, but the remainder of the area looking mainly dry. The radar broke down as well, so we've been dealing with that as meteorologists, and I'll tell you, us weather guys, we do not like it when the radar is down because it's hard to pinpoint where exactly that rainfall is. But here's satellite and radar. This has been a stubborn storm system. That's part of the reason why we saw the clouds in the area yesterday, and that's the reason why we have seen some of the storms that we have seen today, and several showers and thunderstorms have taken shape to the east side of the low. It's almost one of those tropical looking systems, but it is over land over inland Mississippi. But as we look at your rain chances this evening, the storm system itself, it's just going to sit over the deep south, and that's going to continue to bring in some showers, some of that wraparound precipitation, if you will. But as we look at Futurecast, we're going to play this out a little bit, and by 9 o'clock, most of the rain is done. I do think we will see a few breaks in the clouds by 9 as well. Now, as we play this through to about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, we're dealing with a few clouds, but nothing serious. This is 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still partly to mostly cloudy. It's going to take a while for that low to lift off to the northeast over the deep south. And we will start to see some sunshine at 6 o'clock Monday evening. So at least we have some good news there. We will see plenty of sunshine throughout the day Monday, and then most of the rain, well, it's going to be gone for about 5 days, which means I don't have rain in my forecast Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of next week. But here's what's going to happen. We are going to see a pretty potent ridge of high pressure settle in across the middle part of the country, and that means warmer temperatures are expected. 90s possible here, some triple digits in West Texas, and then a drier weather pattern setting up with the lack of rain chances that we have in our forecast. So look at Wednesday, 96 degrees, so very warm temperatures. Obviously, by far, the warmest air we've seen here in East Texas so far this year, and we've got consistent 90s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So when I say enjoy these cool temperatures while they last, please do, because we're probably not going to see this for a while. Temperatures are in the 60s. We will fall into the 50s overnight. I do have showers in my forecast early, but I do think with the winds dying down and the ground already is saturated as it is, fog is likely to form after midnight tonight. And then as we look at tomorrow's forecast, 80 degrees, decreasing clouds. Next 7 days, lots of sunshine around Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even on Thursday. And then we'll reintroduce some isolated showers for East Texas Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Deep East Texas, similar deal. Dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, all the way up to 96 degrees Wednesday.